Alright, continuing on. Strong and Freeze, box 1516, series 1. No, I can't do comms the address. Alright. Base. Upper Deck Game Jersey PK Subban. Young Guns Kevin Fiala. Kevin Fiala. That's a good one. That's a gooder. Portraits Ryan Hartman. Shining Stars Patrick Waugh. Canvas Rick Nash. Shining Stars Vladimir Tarasenko. Base. Young Guns Connor McDavid. McJeezy. Connor McDavid, Young Guns. Dun, 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 dun. I don't want to touch that for you as soon as we're done the box. Absolutely. That's a gooder. Portraits Jordan Everly. Base. We've got a Young Guns Canvas Matthias Janmark. Matthias Janmark. Young Guns Stanislav Galiev. Base. Shining Stars Blue Rick Nash. Portraits Jaromir Jagr. Young Guns Evgeny Medvedev. Canvas Alex Steen. Young Guns Ronald Kennins. Well, this is a good box. We've got a piece of history. 1,000 Point Club game used stick. Steve Larmer. Steve Larmer. Piece of history game used stick. Shining Stars Jonathan Toews. Portraits Tyler Johnson. Young Guns Colin Miller. Colin Miller, Young Guns. And a canvas of Marian Gaborik. So there we go, buddy.